This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Kelly Scarborough. Great home and awesome location west/easy access to freeway, medical care and shopping. Many updates since 2015 to include new roof, updated carpet, waterproof vinyl flooring in kitchen and newer appliances. Brand new disposal installed this week along west/updated kitchen paint and hardware on cabinets. All knobs throughout house recently added, wallpaper in nursery and landscaping in front yard. New motherboard and fan motor on air conditioner. Privacy fenced backyard and deck. Fridge to convey to buyer. See agent remarks. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Scarborough at 501-982-7474.